Children, a very good morning. We had been doing this chapter footprints without the feet. Okay, so children, where were we? We were at the place where they could recognize that the bulgery, the robbery, the stealing was done by Griffin the scientist. He was only who had become invisible. Now they had come, Mrs. Hall had come to know. Okay. All of a sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. A moment later, the hat on the bedpost leapt up, means crept up, and dashed itself into her face. Then the bedroom chair became alive. All this was happening by Griffin was doing it, but she could not see it because he was invisible. Alright? Springing into the air, it charged straight at her legs foremost. As she and her husband turned away in terror, the extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs. Okay, she was so terrified. She was horrified on seeing this view. She was convinced that the room was haunted by some spirits and that the stranger had somehow caused them to enter into the furniture. My poor mother used to sit in the chair. To think she would rise up. Now, shouldn't any ordinary person, if you see like this, or if I also see like this, we'll be totally shocked. We'll say that some spirit, some atma is taken over it. Okay, we will really feel very, very scared. Okay. The feeling among neighbors was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. Now everybody around also they used to talk that koi saya aa gaya hai, somebody is owning this place. But witchcraft or not, when the news of bulgery at the clergyman's home became known, the strange scientist was strongly suspected. Okay, now they could suspect something fishy. Children, if something is wrong, our sixth sense makes us recognize that this is not right. Suspicion grew stronger. Suspicion is शक. शक कब उनका बढ़ा? When they realized that he is giving money. That person who yesterday said he has no money and today all of a sudden he is giving money. So the suspicion grew. The village constable was secretly sent for. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from the empty bedroom. Now they were shocked that how come he is appearing from the place where it's empty or when it's locked. The scientist was always quick temperament. Now he became furious. Furious means angry. You don't understand who or what I am. Very well, I'll show you. Suddenly he threw off bandages, whiskers, spectacles and even nose. Okay, he removed all his things. It took him only a minute. In just a minute he removed all the things which he was wearing. The horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. You can see in the picture, they were shocked that how come this is possible, a man without head. Mr. Jeffers, the constable, the police person, now arrived and was quite surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. He was surprised, he was shocked. This scene could have never been seen by anyone. But Japers was not easily prevented from doing his duty. If a magistrate warrant ordered a person's arrest, then that person has to be arrested with or without his head. Okay, he said that if I have got the instruction from my back, that this from my seniors, that this has to be done, so this will be done no matter he has head or not. There followed a remarkable scene as the police tried to get hold of the man who was becoming more and more invisible. As he threw off one garment after another, finally a shirt flew in the air. He removed his shirt also. When the constable was trying to hold him, he tried to remove his shirt also. He could not see at all. Some people tried to help him, but found themselves hit by blows. Okay, he was hitting everyone. He was not allowing anybody to be with him. Okay, he was beating everyone. In the end, Jeffers was knocked unconscious. Unconscious means behosh hona. As he made a last attempt to hold on the unseen scientist. Why it said unseen? Because he is invisible. There were nervous, excited cries of hold him. Everybody was scared also. They were nervous also. They wanted him to be caught up. But this was easier said than done. Griffin had shaken himself free, and no one knew where to lay hands on him. Okay. He took that opportunity of being invisible, and due to that he could run away, move away. Alright, children, do read the chapter from the starting, from the beginning, and do let me know if you have any problems. Alright, do these exercises. Good day.